Hi guys, so it has been a wait of about, I think about a month.
Yes.
We've been waiting for about a month. And our delivery is finally here. You can see this little truck over here in the back. That's where all our tools are. It's been a little bit of a crazy ride. It's been stressful. We've been worried about customs. We've been worried about all kinds of variables that you can expect from this sort of thing. The problem today is we're in the rainy season right now. See?
Mira, Tibu, ¿cómo estás? Oh my god, what's going on here? Tienes una plata. You're so dirty. Oh my god, what am I going to make with you? Are you feral? No, you look fine. Mira, ahora hermoso. A ver, like. Every morning is raining, but normally at this hour is ending. But today is a special day because it's raining until 9, 10.
It's beautiful. Like it's like 21 degrees right now, 21, 22-ish, and the sun's cracking through. The view is absolutely gorgeous.
Malaika, ven, ven.
Derecha. Dele, derecha. Hey. No va a dar. No va a dar. No va a dar.
Uh-oh, looks like we have a problem.
Hay una cosa que de adelante que le acerque un poquito. A ver. A lo menos a que entre aquí lo que más pueda. Hey. Dale, dale, dale. A la derecha, dale, dale. Dale, dale. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale. Dale, dale. Ahí, entonces, ya con una rampa ahí está bien. Ahí. Más fácil. Niño.
And there's all that stuff. Absolutely fantastic.
Ahí, ahí. ¿Cómo lo va a coger ahí? No, ¿lo bajan ahí? Igual lo bajan ahí.
Ahí, ahí quedó. Allí me hago para este lado de acá.
Listo.
Listo, hágale.
¿Este por dónde va? No, esto va para.
This is one of the most heavy things.
¿A la isla o...?
Así como venía.
Como venía.
Así como venía.
it's done. Good, right?
Yes, everything was fine. We checked everything. It was very, very organized. All the guys were very strong. They carried many things heavy.
How many things?
88
88
boxes.
things.
After the rain, you see, it's a pretty sunny day. So now it starts to be more warm. Everybody's so hot.